Physicists may have just uncovered the first observational evidence supporting string theory, which could finally explain the mysterious force called dark energy that makes the universe expand faster. String theory is the idea that all particles are not tiny points but tiny vibrating strings, and their vibrations determine what kind of particle they are. It also tries to connect gravity with quantum physics, which could help explain how the universe works at the smallest and largest scales. In a new study, scientists suggest that space and time, at extremely tiny scales, don't behave like a smooth fabric, but instead act in a quantum way, where the order you look at things matters. This matches what string theory predicts, where everything is made of tiny vibrating strings rather than small points. Their new model shows that dark energy should slowly get weaker over time, not stay constant like earlier ideas suggested. This matches new observations from the DESI telescope, which found that the universe's expansion is slowing slightly. In the past, scientists thought dark energy came from quantum vacuum energy, but that idea gave numbers that were way too big to match what we see. The researchers believe their new model solves this problem by linking the smallest scale in nature, the Planck length, to the biggest scale, the size of the universe. They also propose ways to test their idea soon by doing experiments that look for unusual quantum interference patterns that normal quantum physics can't explain. If these patterns are found in the next few years, it would be the first real proof that string theory is correct. Before his death, Albert Einstein worked hard to create a unified field theory that would combine gravity and electromagnetism into one clear idea. This theory could make it easier to understand how different forces in nature are connected by showing they all come from changes in spacetime itself. It could also help solve old problems in physics, like explaining quantum effects more clearly, and offer a simpler way to link gravity, electricity, and magnetism without needing extra forces or particles. Despite Einstein's effort, this theory was never finished, but a new study suggests real progress has been made. The researchers believe that both gravity and electromagnetism are not separate forces at all. They are simply different ways that spacetime bends, stretches, or compresses. Instead of thinking of electric charges as tiny objects floating in space, their new idea says charges come from small squeezes in the fabric of spacetime itself. To support this, they developed a new set of mathematical rules that update the traditional equations for electricity and magnetism. In their model, the old well-known equations are just a simpler version of a bigger, more detailed picture. Their approach even explains strange quantum effects, like particles being influenced by fields that do not seem to be there, which was hard to explain before. However, their theory is based on some assumptions that need more testing, and it may not perfectly fit every situation yet. Still, it offers a simple and fresh way to move closer to Einstein's dream of connecting the forces of nature. The longest structure in the universe could be 50% larger than previously believed,